Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna do another quick edit video using VSCO. So let's get started. This is the VSCO app in my iPhone. So I use the iPhone version and I subscribe to the VSCO X subscription. And let's get started. And the first thing, I choose the filter because the room I want a little bit darker than the previous one. So and the overall the room is has the dark theme in here, so I'm gonna use the darker filter in the VSCO, and then I'm gonna do is crop it closer, make sure the eyes is on the top third area of the frame, so kind of like this, and the face is still too bright, so increase, and then the highlights increase the contrast a little bit more. So I'm gonna reduce the frame a little bit more. Slightly rotate the frame. Actually, let me do it one more time. Kind of like this. So it's tighter frame in here. And increase the contrast a little bit. This is before and after, and then next, saved it. Next one, I'm gonna copy these two and then paste it here. Let's see how it goes. I like the dark overall surrounding. I might crop the right side, the white on the under the chair, so let me crop it closer, just after that the chair right there, and the top there's some still bright area, so just like this, and then I think still a little bit closer should be good, just slightly closer. Okay, so that's the before and after. So because the light is on the face, it created a nice focus on the face as well. So I can reduce this, and I can use this filter, or another style of edit is use a G7. So this one has a different tone, it's a more brown style tone. So if you like a different style of tone, you can choose a G7 as well. So let me copy this one and then paste it to here. So this one kind of like moody, and then let me reduce the style in here, reduce the frame a little bit to frame it. Just a little bit more. Okay, and the brightness. So let me save this one first, and then I'm gonna do another one with the HB2 or U3. Let's do HB2. I like the HB2, the dark contrast, increase contrast, but reduce the exposure a little bit more. I think we can still reduce the exposure. Okay, so that's, before is very bright, and then this is a reduced exposure style, and then this is good. And what I'm gonna do is do another one, HSL, reduce the blue a little bit more. Let me reduce the blue. Okay, that's good. And then this one I'm gonna use where's the HB2? Okay, right here. And then crop it 4:5 for Instagram. Make sure the Instagram cropping is 4:5 ratio, like this, and then reduce the exposure, and then highlight, save, and then sharpening, and then save it. And the next couple one is similar. What I'm gonna do is paste it to here, and then increase slightly a little bit more, crop it down a little bit to the bottom. Okay, so that's good. And then next, the last one, so reduce this one. Oh, I'm gonna edit one more that Vicky posted yesterday also. So let me go back here and then edit here. I edited this one yesterday. What I'm gonna do is come here and then clear all. This is the original, and then let me save as a draft first, and then let me do a demonstration. So this is U3, but let me do HB2 and reduce the sunlight a little bit more, increase the highlight save, increase the sharpening, and then save 4:5. You can see that on average each photo is around 2 minutes, so you don't have to worry about taking a lot of time to edit each photo, so that your workflow can increase faster. And so increase the contrast a little bit more, and then the other one is the blue. I'm gonna reduce a little bit, slightly reduce the blue, and then save as a draft. Or let me do one more time, save to camera roll right there, that checkbox. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.